Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Convergent evolution questions get people fast, but this one is quick if you focus on function, form, and genetic similarity instead of mixing those clues. First, convergent evolution means two species end up with structures that do similar jobs because of similar pressures, not because they inherited them from a recent common ancestor. So we want low genetic similarity because they are not closely related, and the same function because the structures evolved to solve similar problems in their environments. Last check. Convergent structures can look different in form, so the set that matches low genetics, same function, and different form is option A. Well done! Option A! Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing can fool you. Rule, trust the given clues and check each step carefully.